Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we will talk about this plugin that really helped me in creating more content, or should I say, giving more creativity in terms of executing my content. Given the technology that we are in right now, cameras really produce great images that suits our production work. But there are things that sometimes you look for in your image or frame if you're a filmmaker. These very sharp images that are really addictive to pixel peep sometimes get in our way in terms of creative execution. Sometimes you look for that vintage look, vintage color, retro grains, even the chromatic aberration. Sometimes we tend to look for it to achieve that certain vibe. That's where Dehancer will come into the picture. By the way, this is a collaboration with Dehancer plugin. They let me try their products for Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere, and After Effects to see how the plugin fits with my daily workflow as a content creator. But for disclaimer, they did not pay me for the things that I will say in this video. All of the things that I will say are just based on my very personal opinion. Now, going back to our video. From the word itself, Dehance, this is just my theory by the way. Dehancer plugin gives you those natural looking imperfect image that looks perfect for a certain concept that you want to achieve. From grains, halation, blooms to built-in presets, creative executions feel like limitless. Given those things, here are 3 things why Dehancer plugin boosts my creativity in photography. First is, it made me see things differently. As I've said earlier, we are in the era of bigger resolution, sharper, crispier, the better. But up to what extent you need to follow these standards? Trying out the Dehancer presets give me that somehow go signal that it's okay to have a little bit of grainy to achieve that retro vibe feels. This Santa Monica feels that you see in this picture, if we will go by the book, I don't want those grains, halos, and imperfections. But since we're being open to expressing our mood through these photos, who cares that about the perfectly noise-free and sharp image? Also, the Dehancer plugin reminded me that it's okay to be creative sometimes. To enjoy photography, to express myself through my photos, just a little break from advertisement and corporate kind of execution. Second thing is, it made me jump out of my comfort zone. Being in the corporate photography and videography industry, we need our photos to be somehow true to life most of the time. Most of the concepts should be true to its size, true to its colors, and true to its value. Using the Dehancer presets for my personal content, landscape, portrait, and travel photos made me discover new things. The presets let me open that Pandora's box, a whole lot of different kinds of creative executions that I can think of for my photos. I think this made me appreciate art more than anything else, made me see photography as an art again. And that's my third point. It made me see photography as an art again and again. I've been working for various clients to take their photos for their social media postings, menus, and even websites for years now. And taking these photos means you need to be in the same page with their brief. I need to use the basic fundamentals of photography to get that perfect shot, exposure, and focusing. Yes, it needs to be tacked sharp from front to back if it's a product photo to be posted on an e-commerce site. Having this collaboration with the Dehancer plugin made me see my passion for photography as an art again, not just only for work. Creating personal photo content where I can express my emotion, I can edit the photo without thinking of the boundaries or rules, adding feelings to the photos in terms of these presets give me a much more color, vibe, and human touch. I should say that overall, I had an amazing experience using the presets from the Dehancer plugins, and I hope that you'll experience it too. I think that's all for this video for today. I hope that I can teach you the tutorial of my workflow in terms of using it inside Photoshop, using it inside Lightroom, and using it inside Premiere Pro. So, again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. Again, thank you, the Dehancer plugin, for collaborating with me. And so sorry for the super delay of uploading this content. By the way, if you're new here in our channel, if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. And if you do like this video, don't forget to click that like and share button. If you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future please do click that Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box, or you can join in our membership here in our channel. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.